What's up, guys? Today we're opening some more Pokemon 151. We'll be starting with an Alakazam EX box, which comes with our 3 Abroline promos and 4 packs. And then we'll also be opening this brand new Zapdos EX box with the oversized Zapdos card, the Electabuzz promo, and the Zapdos with another 4 packs. So we're going to crack this open and see if we can get any decent pulls. So inside we have our 3 promo cards, which I will keep in this plastic for now. I'll sleeve them up later. And of course, our 4 packs. All right, just like the Zambox, the promo cards come away. We've got our oversized Zapdos card and our 4 packs. I'm going to leave the Zapdos and the promos in the plastic, and I'll take out the packs. All right, so on the left, we have Team Zapdos. On the right, we have Team Alakazam. Pick your side, and let's see which box gives us better pulls. I think we'll focus on one at a time. So let's start with Team Zapdos and move over to Team Alakazam. Mochi, what team are you on? What team are you on? I don't think he cares. Starting off with Team Zapdos. Can we get a God Pack from either of these boxes? I have not managed to pull a God Pack yet. Wow, that pack opened really easily. Like the seal was quite light. Okay, one to the front. Let's go for a Lightning Energy. Okay, Fire Energy first pack. We get a Bulbasaur, Slowpoke, Growlithe, Geodude, Bill's Transfer, Golbat, Leftovers, Reverse Ponyta, Reverse Spearow, and no first pack magic for Team Alakazam. So that is 1. I think we'll do alternating. So we'll do one Alakazam and then one Zapdos, sorry. That was Team Zapdos first pack, and now Team Alakazam second pack. All right, so Team Alakazam. Can you outpace Team Zapdos? Okay. Fire Energy. Fire Energy in both, okay. Team Alakazam, pack 1. Tentacle, Rattata, Squirtle, Tentacruel, Snorlax, Sandslash, Magnemite, Reverse Red Ditto, and Holographic Dodrio. All right, 0 points apiece. Back over to Team Zapdos. Team Zapdos, pack number 2. These packs feel a little bit different to the packs from the booster bundles. I don't know why. But anyway, Psychic Energy. Oh, Holographic Lightning. Beautiful. Oddish, Mankey, Meowth, Execute, Dugong, Hitmonchan, Seeking, Reverse Staryu, Reverse Graveler, and Dragonite Holographic. 0 from 2 for Team Zapdos. Alright, pack number 2 for Team Alakazam. 0 hits, Team Zapdos. I'm going for a Grass Energy. Oh, Holographic Fire. 1 holo apiece. Oregon, Electabuzz, Offing, Tangela, Rigid Band, Nidorino, Executor, Reverse Venomoth, Reverse Grimer, Poorly Scented Holographic Gyarados. 0-0 for both sides. Pack number 3 from the Zapdos box. These pull rates in 151, in my experience, from 70 to 80 packs, pretty bad. I've gotten some pulls, but I've only pulled 1 SIR from that number of packs. Okay. Dark Energy. Another Fire. Okay. Cubone. Vulpix. Magnemite. Caterpie. Boros, Kadabra, Ivysaur, Reverse Venomoth, Reverse Grimer, and Mr. Mime. 0 from 3 for Team Zapdos. Team Alakazam, pack 3. Okay. It's Steel Energy. A lot of scratching on this card. Fighting Energy, Voltorb, Krabby, Sandshrew, Steel. It's the same picture. One's just laying on their stomach. Graveler, Protective Goggles, Arcanine, Reverse Staryu, Reverse Graveler. Oh, Giovanni's Charisma. Full art. All right, that is 1 point for Team Alakazam. Beautiful. I don't have this yet, so this goes into completing my master set. It is not the SIR, but I'll take it. Looks pretty beautifully centered, but we did see it had quite a bit of scratching on the back surface. Really bad, unfortunately. And this is pack fresh. This is pack fresh, and it's that scratched. That's really, like, how? How is it that scratched? Pack fresh. That's appalling. Like, it looks played. Like, it actually looks played. This card, like, it looks like it's being played. It's so badly scratched over the entire extent of the backside. And this is pack fresh. What the? Moving on, we have 1 pack left for each. 1 pull for Team Alakazam, 1 hit for Team Alakazam, and 0 from Team Zapdos. It's interesting how the packs slightly differ. Like, they're kind of the same, but they're different. They've got different, I guess, designs. You got the thicker silver, so interesting. All right, so let's finish off Team Zapdos. The packs do feel different to open as well. I do have to comment on that too. They actually genuinely feel like a different print run. Okay. This card, see, this is what a card should look like out of the pack. Not scratched to shit. Okay, Psychic. Fire again. Okay. Fire Energy. Magikarp. Oddish. Mankey. Meowth. Golbat. Leftovers. Persian. Reverse Porygon. Reverse Rare Raichu. Oh, Venusaur EX. Okay, so 1 hit apiece. 1 for Team Zapdos, 1 for Team Alakazam. Again, a card that I hadn't pulled. The only one of the big 3 that I hadn't pulled. I actually pulled Charizard twice and Blastoise once. Or maybe I pulled Blastoise twice as well, but I hadn't pulled Venusaur yet, so there we go. That is a hit. I'm going to sleeve him up after we open our final pack. Okay. Currently 1 apiece. If we get a hit in this pack for Team Alakazam, then Team Alakazam wins. However, I don't like our odds. Okay. I've had really bad luck, but this has been a good opening. Okay. Lightning. No. Water Energy. It's a Dark Energy. Machop. Porygon. Electabuzz. Rhyhorn. Boros. Kadabra. Ivysaur. Reverse Goldeen. Reverse Weedle. And for the win, Aerodactyl holographic. It is a tie. Congratulations. Wait. It's an error pack? Why do I have... What? There's a holographic fighting energy in this pack and the dark energy? Wait. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We just got a 12 card error pack. What the frick, dude? We got an extra card and it was a holographic fighting energy. Well, that was an interesting opening. We managed to get one full art from each of these sides. So Team Alakazam got us the Giovanni's Charisma with some extreme scratching, which I'm disappointed in. And then Team Zapdos, we picked up the Venusaur EX. Perfectly centered on the front and pretty well centered on the back. A little bit of whitening, but it is what it is. On Team Alakazam, again, we also picked up an error pack where we have gotten an extra card, which happened to be a holographic energy. And I definitely didn't pull this in any other packs. I was really confused when there was an extra pack behind extra card behind Aerodactyl. I thought it was actually the last card, and you kind of just saw me drop it because I just didn't realize it was there. But anyway, very weird. Thank you guys. That is it for today's video. Just a short one opening up these two products. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and like the video. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. As will Mochi, wherever he is, down here somewhere, looking like a slug.